So day 20 out of 30, and we're back at Creamer's Field. And you notice anything? For one, all the snow's gone.
Well, I was going to say lack of the white stuff.
Yeah, lack of the white stuff. And all the birds are gone. Yep, from here they migrate up past the Arctic Circle where there's no trees and they have less issues with predators because there's so many of them that just nest up there. Crazy, huh? Pretty soon we'll have cranes. They'll be here, and a lot of them stay for the whole summer.
Yeah.
And they nest here. So we'll see you next time. See you tomorrow.
Bye.